This frustrated defendant, caught in the flames of misfortune, seeks justice after being wrongfully charged with arson despite efforts to extinguish the very fire that burned him.
So why are you admitting to committing crimes?
Yes, ma'am, because I did evade arrest.
So that's eliminating probably one defense your attorney may or may not have for you.
I understand that, but I'm just honest with what I did, and it caught some stuff on fire. I bonded out on all these charges. I paid $2,200. I was out 3 days. I was there on the side of the road trying to put the fire out. The fire marshal said there's no evidence to charge me with the crime, but Bear County's charged me anyways, and it pulled all my bonds. I got things going on with my kids. I just started seeing my 3-year-old kid. I was just helping them on the side of the road. Well, I got arrested. I got shot with a flare, right? So if there's any way you can look into that or reinstate my bonds, because I was only out 3 days and I wasn't even supposed to get arrested for this. And I'm the one that got shot. Look, boom. By a flare, and it caught my shirt on fire. I'm still in jail. You know what I mean?
Right,
Sorry
thank you.
for my language and interrupting your court.
No, it's no problem. Sometimes, here's the thing. I understand that these cases that we have, for you, it is the most important thing because it involves your life, right? So I understand how people can get frustrated and upset if you think that people are not hearing you. So apology accepted. We're going to pretend like that never happened, okay? Cody Davis.
President.
All right, come down.
Approach your office.
Come down.
No. I have talked to the district attorney.
Okay.
They made an offer. He's considering it. DA, did you call the case or anything?
All right, so you have all the discovery?
No, we're missing a piece. It's really strange to us. This was a body cam. We can't seem to find it. I've even brought a USB, and I guess it's your feet.
All right, do you know where
Forward.
body cam, do you know where that is?
No idea, Your Honor.
All right, have you looked for it?
I have a,
Been told what body cam it is, so I'm not sure which one it is that I'm supposed to look for. So
All right.
At this point, no, Jim.
All right, so if you will talk to the state, let them know which body cam it is, maybe they can pull it up for you now.
okay.
All right, thank you.
But we'd still like a reset. I want to get a investigator to contact baby mama's boyfriend, who allegedly owned the car in the Pontiacs. And the state was going to look into ownership of the car.
All right, so let's see first about the body cam, so you can have that, then your investigator will have something. So yes.
Okay, do you mind if was I right on some things? I first got assigned Mr. Hayek with a theft. I showed up for court, right? They had just changed the Odyssey thing. So the bailiff told me to talk to the coordinator, however it was on the other side, it was in county court, right? Well, she gave me a piece of paper saying, call in 2 weeks. Well, Mr. Hayek didn't see me there apparently and got me a FTA, right? So I knew I had an FTA when they walked up on me until I ran, right? I did do that, right? But I did show up to court.
Let me ask you something. So why are you admitting to committing crimes? Because that's what you've just done.
Yes, ma'am, because I did evade arrest.
All right, so you just admitted to a crime, so that's eliminating probably one defense your attorney may or may not have for you.
Oh, I understand that, but I'm just honest with what I did. So I just want to be honest with you. So then I had my people call Mr. Hayek and talk about, okay, well, I got arrested. I got shot with a flare gun, right? And it caught some stuff on fire. I bonded out on all these charges. I paid $2,200. I was out 3 days. I was there on the side of the road trying to put the fire out. The fire marshal said there's no evidence to charge me with the crime, right? But Bear County's charged me anyways, and it pulled all my bonds. I paid $2,200 to get out, right? I got things going on with my kids. I just started seeing my 3-year-old kid. I was just helping them on the side of the road. Well, it pulled all my bonds. So I was going to see if somehow, because I had Charles Bunk, and he read on there on the police report, it says there's no evidence to charge James Cody Davis, right? But they did anyway. So he got it. He went and he was like, I don't even know how they even didn't reject you. So he went and got it thrown out before it was indicted or anything, right? Within a week after he seen me the first time, Charles Blunt. So, I was gonna see somehow, like I paid $2,200 to get out for 3 days and I was putting a fire out there when I got shot with a flare, right? So if there's any way you can look into that or reinstate my bonds or something, because I was only out 3 days and I wasn't even supposed to get arrested for the arson, and I'm the one that got shot by a flare and it caught my shirt on fire. I'm still in jail. You know what I mean?
Mhm.
Like, if there's any way you could help get my bonds reinstated. I was through Armstrong.
Well, with regards to bonds being reinstated, your bondsman will need to request that they be put back on your bond. Reinstatement of bond means that I'm telling the bondsman, you're back on this bond. And that's not something that I do.
Okay.
So the bondsman will have to agree to be on your bond.
What
And
about them doubling it? And when I wasn't
here's
supposed
the
to get
thing.
arrested?
Excuse me. Yes.
Sorry for interrupting you, Mr. Davis. May I be excused to try and look for
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. So that's where we are. So, and then where we are right now is you're going to have a seat. He's going to see if he has the body cam that you're looking for, and then you can approach again. All right. Thank you. Ms. Ferguson, on Cody Davis, reset this for plea deadline date, March 31st. If your attorney wishes for you to be brought over sooner, he'll let us know.
Thank you.
You're welcome, and your attorney can file whatever motions he wants to file with regards to bond issues.
I'll at least call out.
All right,
Sorry
thank you.
for my language and interrupting your.
No, it's no problem. Sometimes, here's the thing. I understand that these cases that we have, for you, it is the most important thing because it involves your life, right? So I understand how people can get frustrated and upset if you think that people are not hearing you. So apology accepted. We're going to pretend like that never happened, okay?
Thank you.
All right, so we're going to bring you back on March 31st. And if your attorney wants you brought back sooner, he'll let the court know. But as I said before, with regards to bonds, if you're on a commercial bond, there is no reinstating a bond for me unless the bondsman agrees to it. All right, because that's like me telling the bondsman, you're going to get back on this person bond. And they may say, no, we've had problems with this person. We don't want to be back on their bond. So legally, I can't force them to do it, but he's saying that he will call them and see if they will agree to a reinstatement of your bond and have them as your bondsman. Now, whether or not I agree to reinstate it at the same amount will depend on what evidence is presented to me. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
And, okay.
No, that's plea deadline.
This careless man, thinking he could outsmart the court by claiming lost paperwork, now faced the judge's decision offering a chance for change or sealing his fate in prison.
What has he done on probation?
Very little, Your Honor. There was apparently some misunderstanding with the paperwork, and we decided not to take it very seriously.
I've basically been in jail this whole time. I guess I didn't take it that serious because they didn't have the paperwork whenever I went.
Okay, I don't even know what that means about I've been in jail this whole time. I didn't take it seriously. You were released from custody. Is that true?
Yes, Your Honor.
After you were placed on probation.
Yes, Your Honor.
So you were released. Did you ever report?
I reported and they didn't have my paperwork.
Did you ever call back to report again, or you just said you're done?
I called a couple times.
All right. Did you obtain any employment?
No.
Did you follow up with Center for Healthcare Services?
No, Your Honor.
So is there a reason why I should give you 3 years? Because it appears if you have not done anything on probation, the only thing you've done is commit a new offense.
I don't know. I thought something went wrong with the courts or the paperwork.
And you thought, hey, they'll never find out and I'm just lost in the system. All right, these are your choices. You have 2 choices and these are your only choices. Either 5 years in prison or either I'll deny the motion